Hypothalamus. Hypo means under. It is a small portion of diencephalon which is located below the thalamus. This large nucleus is thalamus and below its hypothalamus is located. Hypothalamus are actually cluster of nuclei which are together known as hypothalamus. This is lateral ventricle, this is third ventricle, and hypothalamus is formed floor of the third ventricle. This is basal portion of the brain, and these are the optic nerve. These are the optic nerve, and when they cross each other they form optic chiasm, and behind this optic chiasm there is hypothalamic nuclei. So this is the area where hypothalamic nuclei are situated. In front of the hypothalamic nuclei there is optic chiasm, and behind posteriorly there is posteriorly to the hypothalamus there is mammillary bodies. Now nuclei of the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus, I have divided the hypothalamic nuclei in the 4 subdivision. First is the anterior group, second is the medial group, third is the lateral group which is not visible here in this view, and fourth is the posterior group of the nucleus. In the anterior group of the nucleus, this is optic chiasm, this is pituitary, and this nucleus lies before the optic tract, so it is known as preoptic nucleus, and this is known as supraoptic nucleus, and it lies in the chiasmatic area, so it is known as suprachiasmatic nucleus. It lies anteriorly, so it is known as anterior nucleus, and this nucleus is near to the ventricle, so it is known as paraventricular nucleus. Now the medial group of the nucleus, this arc-shaped nucleus is known as arcuate nucleus. This is ventromedial nucleus, and opposite to it is dorsomedial nucleus, and posteriorly there is posterior nucleus. So all these nucleus have certain function, like supraoptic nucleus releases gonadotropin release hormone, while suprachiasmatic nucleus maintain the circadian rhythm. Supraoptic and paraventricular nucleus, they together control the posterior pituitary hormones. Anterior nucleus is related to the thermoregulation. Dorsomedial is mainly related to the GI stimulation, while the ventromedial nucleus is center for the satiety. Satiety means satisfaction. Arcuate nucleus is the center for the prolactin inhibition. Posterior nucleus is actually work as a mixed mixed function, like it control autonomic nervous system, it regulate our body temperature, it also regulate our heart rate and blood pressure, and it also regulate water balance in our body. Lateral nucleus is actually related to the learning and memory, and it is also one of the feeding center. Now the function of the hypothalamus. The first function of hypothalamus